Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's coming a little late, but with the postal delays this month, it's been crazy, but I did finally get my December Look Fantastic box. So we're going to be jumping in and doing a full review and unboxing of all of the products in the December 2020 Look Fantastic box. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. I do upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the Look Fantastic Christmas Edition December 2020 box with me, stay tuned. Okay, so obviously the box has like all of the different variations in the card, so we are going to kind of skip that, and I'm just going to talk about the products specifically that I have in my box. The first item is from Percy Reed London. It is the Reassuringly Firm Session Hold Hairspray. This is 50 milliliters, 1.6 ounces. Ultra fine, humidity resistant, and flexible but firm hold. This hairspray is just what you need to help your hairstyles last throughout the day. Hold can 20 centimeters away from your hair and gently mist all over your face. No, all over your style. Don't mist this on your face. I don't have prices on this, but I will... Everything is in euros, so apparently this is a UK box. I probably should have known that before I started filming. Okay, so I was mistaken. This is available in the US as well. But when you purchase a 12-month subscription, your first box will be for $1, which is kind of awesome. Other than that, they are $16 a month. And I can tell you right now, you already get your $16 worth out of it. So as far as like a retail value, I definitely think it'll be worth it. But let's talk about the product selections, because if you're not going to like anything in there, then it's not worth it. But you guys know how I am. Anyway, obviously my hair's already done, so I'm going to set that to the side, but I will definitely be trying that in the future. Next, from Brushworks, this is the double-ended brush. This double-ended eyeshadow brush combines both shading and precision. One end is a shader brush, perfectly for packing on eyeshadow and blending out the edges. The other is for eyeliner, suitable for powder or liquid gel eyeliners. Use the shader to pack, buff, and blend. Turn it over and use the eyeliner end to define the eyes. Now, I'm going to open this up. The bristles are definitely soft. It is not the type of brush that I like for blending, but it is super densely packed. So this is actually the type of brush that I would really enjoy for pulling a little bit of a shadow over the lid. I'm going to grab a tiny bit of a shimmer. This is the Natasha Denona highlighter, but I'm going to take just a tiny bit of that and pull it over the lid. Oh, that's really pretty. It's diffusing the color nicely. It's not like packing it on too intensely, which is definitely something I like for this kind of a brush, because it allows me to maneuver the product around and not have it go crazy. But it's also not falling out, which means the bristles are packed tightly enough that I'm not having an issue with fallout because the bristles are just dropping all the product. It's going exactly where I want it and nowhere else. You guys know I don't really use eyeliner-shaped brushes. Like, maybe I'll use it in the waterline, but it's not really something I typically gravitate towards. So I'll be honest, I'm probably not going to use this side of the brush. But for, like, a lid shade, I really like how big this is, because the one I normally use is pretty small. Like, this is almost double the size and just as thick. So this will get a nice, even wash of color on top of the lid. Next, from Jecca Black, these are the Champagne Glow Drops. Add some much-needed sparkle and festive season with your glow drops in a beautiful champagne shade that flatters the skin, a range of skin tones. Words are hard today. I can't speak. Apply a small amount all over your skin before foundation for an all-over luminous glow, or for a more precise highlighting, apply over your base to the high points of your face. Let's try it out. Now, I didn't get it in my variation, but there was an under-eye concealer product from this brand in the BoxyCharm boxes last month. I only know it because I was talking to Jody G about it, and she was telling me how much she loved it, and I haven't tried it. But I'm excited to give this a try, so I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand and grab a sponge, and I'm going to apply this to the high points of the face. So it's definitely got some nice sparkle to it. You guys know lately I've been feeling the cream highlighters a little bit more. I think what I like most about it is it definitely has a nice amount of glitter in there. Like, I definitely like a metallic-y blinding highlight, but a little bit of glitter and shimmer over the cheeks, especially when your skin is like super natural and radiant and dewy, I think just elevates it a little bit more. Next, from the Balm, this is the Petal to the Metal eyeshadow. It is a cream eyeshadow, which you guys know I am not about. So I'm just going to save myself the time and drop that right in a giveaway. But this is a creamy, buildable, easy to blend eyeshadow just to inject a bit of color into your makeup routine. Whatever color you receive, expect strong pigment that applied tone to your favorite eyeshadows. This one is a bronzy color. And yeah, not my vibe. So I'm going to just drop that right in a giveaway. Next, from Avant, this is a really pricey brand if you are not aware, but this is the Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Cream. Fight signs of aging with the luxurious Avant eye cream used with hyaluronic acid and seawater to deliver long-lasting moisture, combat the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots, and dark circles and eye bags for an overall youthful glow. Use AM or PM. Really, really into this brand. I've received a few products from them before, but I do say this in every video. Until you're ready to open a product, don't crack the lid just for the sake of it. Once you open this, it says right here, 6 months after you open it, it will expire. It's a pretty small jar, so you'll finish it in that time. But I've got 2 eye creams open, so opening this will let one of those go bad. So always finish what you're working on before you go into something else. Plus, even if I applied it right now, it will take 28 to 60 days of consistently using a product to really see those results. So it would be me putting it on and telling you it feels nice or it smells nice, but you will see no results until I'm consistently using it every day for over a month. And the last item in the box comes from Medic8. Medicate, that's really cute. Medic8, M-E-D-I-K 8. So the brand is Medicate. This is the Hydrate Serum, harnessing hyaluronic acid and panthenol, vitamin B5. This Medicate Serum brings long-lasting hydration for a plumper, smoother complexion, cruelty-free, vegan, and free from artificial fragrances. Apply 6 drops into the neck and face. That is really cool. I will be putting this in my rotation. Obviously, again, this is a 12-month jar open, so I'm going to wait until I finish my next serum, but this will be put into my next rotation. So all in all, for 16 bucks, definitely get your money's worth. Like this highlighter alone, I keep catching my reflection and the glowy dewiness, and you guys will definitely be seeing more of this product especially. So let me know down below what you guys think. I will link Look Fantastic down below. So if you did sign up, you will get $1 for your first box, and then the rest of them, the $16 a month. It is not an affiliate link. I'm not making any commission off of it. I will link it just in case you are interested. Thank you guys again, and if you have any questions, sound off down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!